Adenium is a genus of poisonous flowering plants in the Apocynaceae or dogbane family. It is native to the dry areas of sub-Saharan Africa and the Middle East. Common names for adeniums include desert rose, impala lily, bushman's poison, elephant's foot, mock azalea, and sabi star. Adeniums are slow-growing plants. In USDA zones 11 and 12, they can be grown as outdoor plants. In colder climates, they are grown as indoor plants. Adeniums are grown for their attractive tubular flowers in white, pink, red, and variegated forms. Standard adenium flowers have 5 petals. But the double flower varieties are more attractive and desirable. Their thick succulent trunk called caudex acts as a water storage organ which helps the plant to survive long periods of drought. Adenium obesum is the only adenium species that is extensively hybridized for their colorful flowers. They are slow-growing plants, which is why they can be grown in a pot for many years. Their codices can develop into unusual shapes, which makes them perfect as bonsai plants. They can also be planted in the landscape as a perennial in frost-free regions. The best time to plant adenium is in spring. They should be planted in a soil medium providing excellent drainage. Use a soilless mix composed of cocoa coir, perlite, sand, and gravel. Adeniums require heat to grow and thrive. They will unlikely receive hot temperatures and intense sunlight if kept indoors all year round. They will need to be moved outdoors during the summer months. But slowly introduce them to direct sunlight to prevent the plant from scorching. They need full sun with a bit of light shade during the hottest part of the day. They need to be brought indoors during their dormant period in winter. The plants will drop their flowers and foliage when they go dormant for the winter season. During the months when the plant is kept indoors, place it in the brightest spot of your home. Water adeniums frequently during the growing season in late spring and summer. Give them a thorough watering each time, but make sure that water drains quickly from the drain holes in the container. Reduce watering during their dormant state in winter. Completely stop watering when their leaves drop. Do not water even if they start blooming during winter. Resume watering in spring when new leaves begin to grow. Feed adeniums with a half-strength fertilizer that is high in potassium and low in nitrogen during late spring and summer. This will encourage growth and flowering. Fertilize less frequently if you want to maintain the plant at a moderate size. Spring is the best time to prune adeniums. Prune the plants to improve appearance. Spider mites, aphids, and mealybugs may occur on the leaves and stems. They can be removed by using a cotton swab dipped in rubbing alcohol. Or apply horticultural oil on the leaves to control these pests. Avoid watering during dormancy to prevent root rot. Do not expose the plant to freezing temperatures. Adeniums can be toxic to humans and pets when ingested. Adeniums can be propagated by seed. However, plants grown from seed will not be identical to the mother plant. Propagation by grafting and stem cutting of a desirable plant will yield better results. Keep adeniums slightly pot-bound to maintain them at a manageable size. But keep an eye on the roots and caudex, because they can break the pot in an effort to grow. Repot the plant when it's fully pot-bound. But avoid using an oversized container that will require a large volume of soil. Choose a container that has several drain holes in the bottom. Terracotta and clay pots are ideal containers because their porosity keeps the soil dry. Adeniums are popular ornamental plants that's simple to take care of. Thank you for watching.